Today I'm going to show you how you can generate a QR code for free inside Adobe Express. And if you haven't used Adobe Express before, you can just type into your browser express.adobe.com. Now I have just opened up a template to show you how we are going to insert the QR code. And this is super easy. We just go down to the menu down the left hand side, which is add-ons. And if I just type into the search bar QR codes and press return, then you can see there are lots of different add-ons that we can use to generate all different types of QR codes, and down the right hand side it tells you which ones are free and which ones have paid elements to them, because these add-ons are apps out with Adobe Express. But I am just going to scroll down and we're going to use the quick QR code, and I'm just going to press open, and this then brings up a panel down the right hand side. I'm just going to change it to my website, and I'm also going to click transparent so that it doesn't have a background colour attached to it. We can change the pixel sizes here, and then we just add to the page. And there we go, we can still enlarge it if it's not quite big enough and place it into position. But that's how easy we can add a QR code. There's no branding in it. It is free to download, it is free to use, and this is from directly within Adobe Express.